The countdown to end 2020 is on, and even though New Year's Eve parties will have a distinctively different look this week, food is still the important part. And that's why Howard has a perfect snack of pepperoni pizza stuffed mushrooms in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With New Year's Eve just days away, we've got a fun twist on stuffed mushrooms where we add everything we love about our favorite pizza, including the pepperoni and the ooey gooey cheese. And yes, it's very easy. We start by separating the stems and caps from about a pound of mushrooms, and we chop the stems. We found the best way to do this is with one of those inexpensive hand choppers that we can find almost everywhere. Okay, we saute the chopped stems in some melted butter, and once they cook down a bit, we take them off the heat and add in some breadcrumbs, chopped pepperoni slices, a few seasonings, and some pizza sauce, and give it a good stir. We spoon the mixture into the caps using a teaspoon, like this. We want to make sure they're filled nice and high. These can even be made ahead of time and baked right before serving them. A little mozzarella gets melted on top, and they're done. With every bite, we get all the things we love about pepperoni pizza in the form of stuffed mushrooms. To get the recipe, all you need to do is go to our website and look for pepperoni pizza stuffed mushrooms. This way you'll have it on hand in time for New Year's or whenever you want something crazy good. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pizzalicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
He did it again. Unbelievable. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, komnewsnow.com.